Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add a gift card to your Uber account. First of all, launch open the Uber app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, click on the account button at the bottom right corner. After you click on account, go to the wallet button at the top of the screen and tap on it. After you open up your wallet, click on add payment method. Now click on gift card. Enter your gift code number in the blank space on the next page. Make sure to type in your redemption code correct, which is usually alphanumeric with no spaces. Write it down exactly as it is shown, and once you type it down, click on the save button at the bottom of the screen. And soon after you do that, if your redemption code is correct, you'll be able to add your gift card on the Uber account. Once successfully added, the gift card value will be reflected in your Uber cash or credits. To use the credits, you can enter your destination and go to the payment method and ensure that the Uber cash or the gift card derived balance is toggled on if you want to use it. So that is how you will be able to add a gift card on Uber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.